What is ChatGPT used for? It's not just for chatting, it's transforming how we learn, work, and create. And yes, you can start using it just by signing up to its free version. Let's start with learning and studying. Just ask ChatGPT to explain anything. Let's ask it explain quantum physics like I am 10. And here we got the concise, easy, and to the point answer from ChatGPT for a 10-year-old boy. The next example we have is for writing and editing. You need better writing, it fixes grammar, improve text, or write from scratch. Now let's quickly go ahead and ask ChatGPT to fix that. He go to market yesterday. The correct sentence is he went to market yesterday. Perfect. Are you running a business? Let it write your product description or marketing emails. Write a product description for smart water bottle. And here you could see that we are getting a compelling product description for smart water bottle that is optimized for online listing like Amazon, Shopify, or our own website. Perfect. Are you stuck on code? Ask for Python, JavaScript, or bug fixes. It will just give you. Let's say my prompt here is Python code to reverse a string. And just like that, we got a usable code that is ready to go with an output. Get creative stories, poems, and content ideas in seconds. Let's give it a prompt. Write a short poem about the moon. And that's the AI with a poetic soul. If you need an help with Excel, just tell it what you want and it writes the formula. Let's type the prompt, some values in column B if A is over 100. Amazing. So now no more Googling formulas, it just works. Looking for a job? ChatGPT can write resumes, cover letters, and more. Let's go and give it a prompt. Write a short cover letter for data analyst job. So here is the professional and personalized response in seconds. Perfect. People are using it to make money. Ebooks, YouTube scripts, blog, and many more. So here is our prompt. Give me 5 real ways to make money online. Here are 5 real and proven ways to make money online in 2025. No fluff, just what works. So here are the 5 real and authentic ideas to start making money today. Once AI image is generated quickly, just type a prompt and it creates it for you. Let's give it a quick prompt. A futuristic city in the clouds with neon lights. It started generating image for us. So you need only one simple prompt. You will get stunning image, no design skills needed. So now you know what ChatGPT is used for, from learning to earning and everything in between. Tell me in the comments how will you use ChatGPT? And if you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more powerful AI tips. Thanks for watching.